Welcome guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard laptop motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see here the search button. Then enter your model number of motherboard and then hit enter. After you can see this is all specifications and configurations and details also. Then click to product. Then click on the title. Then click to support. So guys, select your operating system which is your required driver. So you can install and watch this video to install the driver. And both are also there. It's Windows 10 and 11 like that. LAN driver. You can see Realtek LAN driver and click to download and open it. Double click to open because this is extracted. Then yes. So this automatically close. It will done. So